What's up guys, I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never and welcome back to another update on Turbo. If you enjoy this content, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm, I'd greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Alright, so as usual, I'm going to go over a little bit of technical analysis. But before I even start, I want you guys to understand that March 7th is going to be a crucial date. As a lot of you guys know, the White House is hosting a crypto summit. So take everything that I'm saying right now with a grain of salt because a lot can change. At the end of the day, macroeconomics are always going to outweigh technical analysis. But regardless, right now, when you look at Bitcoin on the daily time frame, you can see that we had a clear rejection off of the 21-day. This is a very important level for us to get back above. You can see that we've had multiple retests of this level. We tried to get back above it, rejection, tried to get back above it, rejection. We had the massive pump on the Sunday, tried to get back above it, got rejected again. And here we are still getting rejected. If we can get back above the 21-day, then you can be a lot more confident that this is a legitimate breakout. But if we cannot, then expect more downside or at least more consolidation. I will say with Bitcoin right now, we are sandwiched between two levels. We're sandwiched between the 21-day and the 200-day. Whichever level breaks is probably the direction that we're going to be heading in the short term. Now, this is Bitcoin on the daily time frame. The reason I'm going to show you guys Ethereum is because Ethereum is the leading altcoin. And this is going to heavily impact Turbo and the rest of the Ethereum meme coin market. But when you look at Ethereum on the weekly time frame right now, this is why I've been saying I'm so bullish. For the first time since September, the stochastics are officially extremely oversold again. Nearly every single time throughout the history of Ethereum, we've had a breakout with oversold stochastics. Strong breakout, strong breakout, strong breakout, strong breakout, strong breakout, massive explosion, another massive explosion. And I've been saying this for like the last month, but you guys have to understand that it usually takes somewhere between like 3 to 8 weeks to actually play out. You can see that we usually consolidate for a little bit. So the timeline for a breakout puts you in like mid-March or early April. But obviously it could happen even sooner, and who knows what's going to happen on March 7th. And lastly, the other reason that I'm super bullish on Ethereum right now is because of the 3-month time frame. And this is a reason that I've been saying I'm very close to calling a bottom for Ethereum. In fact, I think there's a good chance that we might have bottomed. And the reason for this is because we are retesting the 21-day on the 3-month time frame. In addition, the stochastics are extremely oversold. But if you look through Ethereum's history, we have never closed a candle beneath this level. You can see that we did break beneath it for a little bit right here, but we still closed above it. And this was the depths of the bear market. This candle right here went from $3,588 to $883 of a low. And yet after this drop, Ethereum still had a very strong breakout. That's why I just genuinely don't understand the panic. People are acting like Ethereum's dead and can't come back. That is absolutely not the case. Now, when we look at Turbo, you can see that Turbo has been getting hammered with the rest of the market. It did actually end up breaking beneath this major support level, and it's currently down to a $189 million market cap. But what I want to point out is it's not the only project that's retesting these levels or breaking these levels. If you look at Pepe, which is currently the 3rd largest meme coin, it's retesting the same levels. And Pepe was very close to breaking these. And naturally, you can expect Pepe to hold stronger than Turbo because, again, it's the 3rd largest meme coin. The Turbo chart really doesn't look much different from Pepe right now. And the reality of both of these projects right now are that they are going to be Ethereum derivatives. We need to see Ethereum break out. If you look at Ethereum on the daily time frame right now, it looks very similar to both charts. You can see right here, and what's interesting is Ethereum even lost these previous levels. So when you look at the Turbo chart and you realize it lost it, so did Ethereum. That's why right now I'm personally not panicking with Turbo at all. And I really don't think you guys should be either if you believe in this project and if you believe in Ethereum. When you look at Turbo and CoinMarketCap, they still look great. The volume is down right now and it's still over 51 million. That's over 27% of the market cap. Most projects are not doing this well. And what's interesting is you can see that a lot of the volume is actually coming from Bitget right now, 19.4%. That's almost double what's coming from Binance. But this right here is just another aspect of Turbo. A lot of people are forgetting how many exchanges Turbo already has. This is a big reason that I truly don't think Turbo is going anywhere. If you look at their X account, you can tell that they still have a massive community. They're up to 109,000 followers. They're almost 110K. But they still post in here every day, getting great engagement, and that's exactly what you want to see with meme coins. And you want to see these constant collaborations. You want to see big pages posting about Turbo. It's just going to help the name get even more and more out there. But unfortunately, there's not much that I can say about Turbo right now. Again, I cannot be any clearer about this. Turbo, Pepe, the entire meme coin market are relying on Ethereum to break out. Until Ethereum breaks out, you cannot expect Turbo to break out. Now, if Ethereum breaks out and Turbo doesn't move, then yeah, obviously that's an issue. But personally, I just don't see that happening. Turbo has an incredibly strong community and they already have so many massive listings. You could argue that they're on their way to becoming a blue chip meme coin. All of that being said though, if you guys are interested in joining a like-minded community and getting into projects super early like Turbo, then I also recommend taking a look at my Discord. At the current moment, I have 3 different tiers, but we've been making huge gains this entire bull run. At this point, my Discord is just over 1 year old and we've already called 6 different 200x projects as a community. Just to put this in perspective, a $1,000 investment into any one of these projects could have turned into over $200,000. So if this is the kind of thing that sounds interesting to you guys, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. I'd love to see you guys in here. We're building an amazing community. So that's about all. Let me know down in the comments whether or not you guys still believe in Turbo long term. If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.